Settings of Coin ATM. This is Initiative's Coin ATM. For distribution of water, the settings of pulses, rate and volume has to be done. Remove the plate installed on the front side of the Coin ATM box. Unlock the lock from back side. Unscrew both the screws. Now the front side plate can be removed. Now we can do settings with the help of touch buttons of this panel. If 1-inch flow sensor is installed at your site, then the method of Coin ATM setting is shown at 5 minutes and 8 seconds. If you have 3/4 inch flow sensor installed at your site, then do the Coin ATM settings in this way. We should enter password 308. In password 308, we can set the rate in rupees and volume in liters to be dispensed. Also, we have to set the flow sensor pulses according to the set volume. Here, for 1 liter volume, we have set 330 pulses. Initiative has done some factory settings according to the current available coins. You can do the changes in settings as per your needs. For entering the password 308, touch the Shift and Mode buttons simultaneously. With the help of Mode button, you can change the digit, and with the help of Shift button, you can enter the next digit position. If any mistake happens during the setting, you can go to the next digit position with the help of Shift button, and after the last digit position, you can come back to the first position. After entering the password 308, we can see the settings of coin number 1. Here, for the rate of 5 rupees new coin, 10 liter volume is set and 3300 flow sensor pulses are set. After touching the enter button, you will enter the pulses settings. Here, flow sensor pulses are set to 3300. In the next setting, the rate is set to 5 rupees. And after touching the enter button again, you can enter the volume setting, which was set to 10 liters. The next setting is for coin number 2. Here, for the rate of 5 rupees old coin, the same 10 liter volume is set and flow sensor pulses are set to 3300. The next setting is for coin number 3. Here, for the rate of 2 rupees big coin, 5 liter volume is set and flow sensor pulses are set to 1650. The next setting is for coin number 4. Here, for the rate of 2 rupees small coin, the same 5 liter volume is set and flow sensor pulses are set to 1650. The next and the last setting is for coin number 5. In this setting, for the rate of 10 rupees big coin, we have set the volume to 20 liters and flow sensor pulses are set to 6600. Now we will see how to do any required changes in the settings at your end. For example, with coin number 5, if you want to dispense 300 milliliters of water at the rate of 1 rupee, then first you have to do the settings for pulses. For 1 liter volume, 330 pulses are set, and according to this basic equation, for 0.3 liter means 300 milliliter volume, you have to set 99 pulses. In the next step, set the rate for 1 rupee in place of 10 rupees, which was the previous rate. And in the next step, set the volume for 0.3 liter means 300 milliliter in place of 20 liters, which was the previous volume. In this way, all 5 coin settings are completed. If you want to check all the settings, then you can enter password 308. Here, we can see the settings of coin number 1. We can see the next coin settings with the help of Mode button. All these pulses settings are done according to the 3/4 inch flow sensor installed at the site. After installing the 1 inch flow sensor, the pulses settings should be changed accordingly. Now set the pulses according to the 1 inch flow sensor. For example, for 1 liter volume, 60 pulses are set. So here, for the rate of 5 rupees and 10 liters volume, 600 flow sensor pulses needs to be set. And for the rate of 2 rupees and 5 liters of volume, 300 flow sensor pulses needs to be set. And for the rate of 10 rupees and 20 liters of volume, 1200 flow sensor pulses needs to be set. And for the rate of 1 rupee, if you want to dispense 300 milliliters of volume, then 18 flow sensor pulses needs to be set. All these pulses counts are approximate. You have to verify at your site.